Hello everyone, this is Rushikesh Bankar, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department, NIT Polytechnic Nagpur. Today, lecture number 3 is washing machine and the unit number 5 is consumer electronic appliances. So before start our today's lecture, first of all we will see what are the different learning outcomes of our today's topics. So the first learning outcome is you will able to learn about the washing machine. Then you will able to know the working of washing machine and you will able to know the types of washing machine. So these are the three learning outcomes of our today's topics. So washing machine. So this is the washing machine overview of washing machine. So this is complete overview of washing machine. So a washing machine, that is laundry machine or clothes washer or washer, is a machine used to wash the laundry such as clothing and sheets. The term is mostly applied to machines that use water as opposed to dry cleaning, which uses alternative cleaning fluids and is performed by the specialist business or ultrasonic cleaners. Now the washing machine, that is washing by hand. So laundering by hand involves soaking, beating, scrubbing and rinsing dirty textiles. So before indoor plumbing, the housewife also had to carry all the water used for washing, boiling and rinsing the laundry. So this is washing machine by washing by hand. According to an 1886 calculation, women fetched water 8 to 10 times every day from a pump, well or spring. तो जब हम कपड़े वॉश करते हैं यूजिंग हैंड तो उसमें ज़्यादा वाटर यूज़ होता है. ज़्यादा मतलब 8 to 10 times every day from the pump, well or spring. Now the washing by machine. So clothes washer technology developed as a way to reduce the manual labor spent, providing an open basin or sealed container with paddles or fingers to automatically agitate the clothing. तो ये जो डायग्राम में दिखाया है, सो दिस इज वॉशिंग बाय मशीन. तो जो क्लोथ वॉशर होते हैं, जो टेक्नोलॉजी होती है क्लोथ वॉशर, तो वो क्या करता है कि जो मैन्युअली हम क्लोथ वॉश करते हैं वो रिड्यूस करते हैं, तो मशीन से ऑटोमेटिकली क्लोथ वॉश हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ व्रिंगिंग बाय मशीन. सो आफ्टर द आइटम्स वेर वॉश्ड एंड रिंस्ड, वाटर हैड टू बी रिमूव्ड बाय द ट्विस्टिंग. तो जब कपड़े वॉश करके और रिंस्ड करके बाहर निकलते हैं तो जो वाटर होता है वो ट्विस्टिंग करके रिमूव होता है. सो टू हेल्प रिड्यूस दिस लेबर द रिंगर और मैंगल मशीन वॉज डेवलप्ड. द मैंगल यूज्ड टू रोलर्स अंडर स्प्रिंग टेंशन टू स्क्वीज water out of clothing and household line. So each laundry item would be fed through the wringer separately. Now the combined processes. So what is now referred to as an automatic washer was at one time referred to as a washer or extractor, which combined the features of these two devices into a single machine, plus the ability to fill and drain water by itself. So it is possible to take this a step further and to also merge the automatic washing machine and clothes dryer into a single device called a combo washer dryer. Now the types of washing machine. So there are three types of washing machine. तो वॉशिंग मशीन के तीन टाइप्स होते हैं. पहला है टॉप लोड एजिटेटर, सेकंड इज फ्रंट लोड and third is top load impeller. So these are the three types of washing machine. So when, where and who invented this washing machine? So The first patent of the washing machine was in 1691. In Germany, Jacob Christian Schaefer published the design in 1767. तो जो पहली वॉशिंग मशीन है, जो पेटेंट हुआ है वॉशिंग मशीन का पहला, वो कब था? 1691 में। और जर्मनी में जैकब क्रिस्टियन शेफर ने जो पब्लिश किया डिज़ाइन, वो कौन से साल में किया पब्लिश? 1767 में। तो पेटेंट हुआ 1691 में और जो डिज़ाइन है वो पब्लिश हुआ 1767 में। In 1904, they began advertising the first electronic washing machines in the United States. तो 1904 में उन्होंने एडवर्टाइजिंग किया और पहली इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वॉशिंग मशीन यूएस में एडवर्टाइज किया 1904 में। So these are the two scientists. So this is scientist and this is scientist. So now the advantages. One of the most important advances of the washing machine was that the woman didn't have to go to the river, to the lake to wash the clothes. And disadvantages. The washing machine was a great invention but also cost water, electricity and money to use it. So this is the mechanism washing machine. ये washing machine के internal parts है, ठीक है। So these are the mechanisms. So front panel, then timer, then inlet connections, water inlet valve, agitator, inner tube, outer tube, air dome seal, center post gasket, outer tube seal, water pump and hose connectors. So these are the parts of the washing. तो देखो यहाँ पे वॉशिंग मशीन के अंदर का पार्ट क्या रहता है वॉशिंग मशीन के अंदर. दिस इज एजिटेटर, देन सेंटर पोस्ट gasket is here. So this is the mechanism of washing machine. Now how does the washing machine work? So first is the electronic motor moves the drum in the washing machine. Thus the water, detergent and dirty clothes then controls. They regulate the temperature, the water levels and the types of wash cycles. Then third is drum. This mixes together the water, detergent and clothing. Then fourth step is outer tube, that is this protect and holds the drum. Then electric motor. This produces the movement that makes the drum spin. Then shock absorbers. So these receives the drum's weight and support its movement. And belt, this transmits the movement from the motor to the pulley that spins at the same time as the drum. Now semi-automatic washing machine. अब वॉशिंग मशीन के दो टाइप्स, मतलब दो टाइप के वॉशिंग मशीन होते हैं, एक तो ऑटोमेटिक और दूसरा सेमी ऑटोमेटिक. तो सेमी ऑटोमेटिक मतलब क्या होता है वो देखेंगे. तो सेमी ऑटोमेटिक वॉशिंग मशीन में दो ट्यूब्स होते हैं, टू ट्यूब्स, वन फॉर वॉशिंग एंड द अदर फॉर ड्राइंग क्लोथ्स. Clothes have to be manually moved from the washing tube to the drying one. It's available only in top load models. So this is semi-automatic washing machine. Now semi-automatic washing machine consumes comparatively less water and energy. Water can be poured in manually, cheaper than a fully automatic washing machine. Now this is semi-automatic washing machine. Now full automatic washing machine. तो फुल ऑटोमेटिक वॉशिंग मशीन में क्या होता है, ओनली वन ट्यूब फॉर बोथ वॉशिंग एंड ड्राइंग द क्लोथ्स, एक ही ट्यूब होता है. देन डजंट रिक्वायर एनी मैनुअल इंटरवेंशन, फुल्ली ऑटोमेटिक होने के कारण. अवेलेबल इन टॉप लोड एज वेल एज फ्रंट लोड मॉडल्स. इट बेटर वॉश क्वालिटी दैन सेमी ऑटोमेटिक वॉशिंग मशीन. मेनी वॉश प्रोग्राम्स. So this is fully automatic washing machine. The number of tubes in a semi-automatic is 2. In a fully automatic there is 1. Manual intervention is in semi-automatic, but in fully automatic no. Washing quality of semi-automatic is moderate, fully automatic made better. Water pouring manually in semi-automatics, but in fully automatic it is automatic. Number of wash programs very less in semi-automatic, but in fully automatic the number of wash programs are more. The continuous water supply is not required in semi-automatic, but in fully automatic the continuous water supply is required. The additional features in a semi-automatic is timer, but in fully automatic there is heater, auto shut off, timer, child lock. The price of semi-automatics is affordable, but in fully automatic that is expensive. So this is the complete comparison between semi-automatic and fully automatic washing machine. Now the PO mapping. So PO1, PO3, PO6 and PO7, these are the 4 POs which are mapped with today's topics. So thank you.